Looking for AC installation and replacement in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand the importance of a reliable AC system, especially during the warmer months. Our AC installation and replacement services ensure your home or business stays cool and energy efficient. Whether you're upgrading to a high-efficiency system or need a full HVAC installation, we provide professional, fast service designed to lower your energy costs and improve comfort. In Strathcona County, where temperatures can climb, having a trustworthy air conditioning system is essential. Choose Kingstree Plumbing for expert service and same-day installations. We offer transparent pricing with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what to expect. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for AC installation and replacement in Strathcona County.